My beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Would love to ask you guys how many of you do remember the lipstick that was there, the Nika K one, in my previous haul video. Do you people remember? Many of you did ask me in the comment section below that you people want to see how I'd use that lipstick for myself. And I could go crazy with that, you people know me. But first look, I didn't wanted you people to get scared off with. So I did went ahead with a subtle looking eye makeup look and paired that black lipstick, which actually is not that black as I would have expected it to be. So if you people want to know how I got this grungy looking makeup look, then please keep on watching. Also, if you people like this video, then do subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Now I am starting off with my aloe vera gel. Rest my skin is prepped and primed. I'm taking the Milani's 2-in-1 concealer plus foundation. I love how my foundations go ahead and match my skin tone and blend really well in my neck and leg decollage area in winters. Summers, they're like as if I picked up someone else's shade. So I'm going ahead and dotting it all over my face with the help of my foundation brush, and then going ahead with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge, and then just going ahead and blending each and every single thing away as flawlessly and as seamlessly as I possibly could. Then going ahead with my concealer, for which I am once again using the Milani's Skin Perfect Concealer, and I'm just applying it under my eyes and on my eyelids, and that's it. I'll be blending it out with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge once again, and I'm not going to apply this concealer anywhere else. I love the fact that this is a full coverage concealer, but it's exactly my skin tone, so it wouldn't sort the highlighting purpose. So I'm just going ahead and blending it all out with the help of my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Now coming over to highlighting, I'm going to show you guys. This one is the Milani's Cream to Powder Finish Foundation, and I'm just going ahead and applying this with the help of my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge onto the areas where I love to highlight. That is in a triangle shape under my eye, on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and that's it. Not under where my contour would be. It's all around my mouth and on my chin as well. So I did wanted to highlight these areas with the help of this thing. I am just going to apply it all out onto the areas, and I'm just going to leave it and later on blend it out. In the meanwhile, while it is transforming from cream to powder, I'm taking the NYX Love Contours All palette, and I'm just going ahead and sculpting my cheeks, hollows of my cheeks with the help of the combination of the two shades, like the darker and the lighter one, the contouring lighter and darker shade, because I personally felt that it is like better to go ahead and mix those two shades, or else I would always keep on doing those blenderous mistakes and then keep on breaking my hands blending it. So it's just better for me to go ahead and create a combination. So I'm just going ahead and diffusing it all around the perimeters of my face, and then going ahead and grooming my nose with the help of the same. And this is the tough and the tricky part. I guess my nose is quite tricky to go ahead and contour and blend to, but I love doing that because it just photographs really well. So I'm just doing that and blending everything away. This contour is like a little bit tougher to go ahead and blend with. And then going ahead with the brow grooming powder, the darker one, from the same palette, and I'm just going ahead with my Real Techniques angle brush, and I'm filling in my brow with the help of the same powder. It's just one of the most amazing powders from Brunettes. And then going ahead with my powder brush, I'm just blending each and every single thing into each other, like the cream to powder thing into the contouring thing, and just going ahead and making sure everything is flawlessly blended. Now taking the LA Girl Pro HD highlighter, I'm just going ahead and highlighting my cheekbones with the help of it. And as you guys know me, I love this highlighter to bits. It has never failed me. It has never failed to mesmerize me to a distant level. So I'm just going ahead and highlighting my entire face with the help of it. Then going ahead with the Cheeky Glow from Maybelline, I am just going to apply it onto the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going ahead with a little bit of a heavy hand, because you guys know I'm later on what is the next step that is coming, and it would take away every excess. That is spraying off my rose water onto my entire face, and then going ahead with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge one more time, and just taking away each and every single thing that is there in excess onto my face, and making sure that everything is molten into each other. A flawless base is a key to the perfect makeup, so just go ahead and make your base flawless. Now for the first time ever, I'm taking this black shade from the NYX Love Contours All palette, and as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and creating a fake wing all around my eye, like literally onto my lower lash line as well as onto my upper lash line, and extending it towards my outer V of the eye, just giving it a shape of a fake cat eye. That is what I'm doing at the moment. And then going ahead with an angled brush, I'm just blending that cat wing out. So just make sure that the wing is blended, because later on the liner is coming for the rescue. So just go ahead and blend it out. Now you have the perfect V shape. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal's gel eyeliner, 36 hour super gel eyeliner, and I'm just going ahead and lining my eyes with the help of that eyeliner, and making sure that the cat eye is perfectly carved out, and the earlier black is just going to give a diffused, shape to the wing. It would look as if you have blown out your eyeliner a little bit, just to give it that perfect shape. And whatever is left onto the eyeliner brush, I'm just running it down onto my lower lash line, just making sure that it is looking like it has some kohl on it. Then going ahead with my faces brush. This is the densely packed brush, the same brush that I used for my black eyeshadow. I'm just going ahead and smoking out my lower lash line with the help of it, but no excess product, like literally whatever was left, I'm just taking that. Then taking the same highlighter, I'm just going ahead and applying it very lightly onto my lid area. Then taking my mascara. This is the Maybelline's Falsies mascara. The highlighter step was not essential, guys. You can totally skip it out. I just did it for a little bit of blink. I didn't wanted my eyes to look that flat as they were looking. Just go ahead and groom your upper and lower lashes. Now for the star of the show, the black lipstick from Nika K. This one retailed for 550 rupees. I never got a chance for reviewing them. If you people want me to review them for you all, then do go ahead and comment below in the comment section, and I definitely love to do that for you all. Now a shade like this is quite tricky to wear, as well as the shape of this lipstick is not that perfect. So I was just facing a little bit of a problem while perfecting it. So I went ahead with my lip brush and just corrected the areas which were not getting corrected with the help of just the tip of the lipstick. So I just went ahead and applied it onto those areas, and this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. With that being said, I'll take your all leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.